Bom dia. We are at Parque Das Aves. So we had to make a detour from our original plan. We got up really early this morning around 6 a.m. to go to Paraguay, and the traffic to get into Paraguay because of the immigration was like a 3-hour wait. So we decided to make a detour. Bom dia. Obrigado. So we decided to go to this park because it's already on our list. We were going to originally come here tomorrow before we leave, but we decided since we already crossed into Brazil, we might as well do this, so it's not a total waste. But I heard this park is very nice, a lot of beautiful birds. Like, look at these guys, as soon as you come in, it's a beautiful like red color. So one thing to note also, even though it's a border town across from Argentina, there's still quite a bit of Brazilians who don't speak Spanish, or they speak very little. So luckily Portuguese is somewhat similar, so I can kind of understand what they're saying, or I can kind of read the signs and stuff. But it is very different, and plus with the accent, the Brazilian accent is very unique in how they pronounce words. So I guess just what's to come for when we stay in Brazil for the next couple of months. I'm going to try to pick up as much words in Portuguese that I can, and just use the famous Portuñol, which is the Spanish and Portuguese mix, just so I can at least get my point across and we can understand each other. So that'd be another exciting thing to do while we're here, is picking up a third language, or a partial third language. So it was 80,000, or 80, I'm sorry, 80 reais, 8,000. Let me see the tickets. Still have to get used to the money here. So you can see per person for adults, 160 reais, so 80 a piece. And then for kids, he was free because he's 2 years old. I think once they hit like 6, then it's like half price of the adult ticket, more or less. And over here we have some flamingos just hanging out here from Chile and Africa. All right, so we're gonna start the trail, and here's a map. All different types of birds, quite a bit. So this is our last day, technically, in Argentina. We leave tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow night, where we head to Rio. So we're going, we're staying on the Argentinian side. The only direct flights to Rio was from on the Brazil side. So the car we rented, we have to take back to the airport, and then we're gonna take a taxi over the border to the Brazil airport, and then a direct flight, which is, I think it's like an hour and a half or so, very quick. So I'm going to do this way. Sí, por favor.
Aqui são os banheiros, ao recorrer da trilha tem mais.
Claro, gracias.
¿Es portugués?
Español.
¿Español?
Sí,
Okay.
pero yo entiendo portugués, poco, sí.
¿Prefere que fale espanhol ou português?
Español.
Ok. Esse é nosso primeiro diário de imersão, onde vamos estar junto aos animais. Aqui você vê pequenos marrones. Só pedimos que não bata fotos com flash, porque prejudica os ovos. Não tocar os animais, não comer dentro do viveiro.
Ok.
Tá bem? Bom passeio.
Gracias. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Parque Das Aves tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like I said, this is going to be our last official day in Brazil. I'm sorry, Argentina, before we are in Brazil for the next couple of months. So we are going to head back to Argentina now. Maybe get some food on this side before we head back. And if we're able to, maybe stop at the duty free. But if not, just head straight back to Argentina and kind of get ready for tomorrow's flight. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the next one.